Presentation. My name is Daniela Garcia Rodriguez. I am 30 years old. I'm from Palmira. I'm a psychology student at the UNAD, and I also work in my own business. What were you doing last Christmas? The last Christmas I was at home with my family. We ate black rice with potato salad and orange juice. Then we opened presents and also drank wine. At midnight, we hugged each other and wished very good things for the new years. We went to bed at 3 a.m. Lulada Vayuna. Preparing a delicious and refresh. The first thing you need is the ingredients. 3 large lulos peeled, juice of 2 lemons, 1 cup of ice, half cup of cold water, 4 tablespoons of la lechera condensed milk. Instructions. Step 1. Prepare the lulos. Peel the lulos. Cut lulos and asaf into small cubes and put in a separate container until ready to use. Step 2. Blend the lulo. In the blend glass, add the remaining lulo and add what? The lemon juice, half of the ice and the water. Blend for the blender for 30 seconds or until well. Ingredient removed from the blender and stretch the preparation to obtain only the lulos. Step 3. Serve celulada. Prepare glass. Taste 1 tablespoon of la lechera condensed milk. Turning the glass to color the inner wedge of the lulo juice. Open the shopper, the reservoir lulo, remainder ash, the decorate and tablespoon of la lechera condensed milk per the glass. Finally, you add ice company or delicious empanada. Invitation. Every you is invited to from Palmira to try our delicious lulada. You will not regret. Thank you.